and a very warm welcome to preparing Kentucky Fried Chicken at home. My good name is Sharon Shagiri, and this is Cooking with Shani, where we talk about cooking ideas for the common African kitchen, lifestyle, diets, and we also improve our cooking esteem in the kitchen. If you're listening to me for the first time, please do give me a subscription and like my video. Most of all, click on the notification bell to get all my cooking updates. To my returning subscribers, I'm always glad to have you around. KFC chicken has always been a gray area for many people in terms of preparing it at home, including myself. But this recipe is my own masterpiece, put together after many years of trying to put a finger to it. Trust me, it is the closest thing you will ever taste to KFC chicken, and in my opinion, it tastes even better. I'm preparing this with fries alongside KFC coleslaw salad. On to trying it with you guys, and for my recipe I need 6 chicken drumsticks. You can use any part of the chicken you like, and even the entire chicken, but for today I am choosing to use drumsticks. And for marinating these drumsticks, you need a half a teaspoon of each of the following: salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, garam masala, a pinch of citric acid, and onion powder. You also need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. For coating, you need 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 1 tablespoon flour, a pinch of salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, garam masala, and onion powder. You also need an egg, a quarter a cup of water, and 100 grams of breadcrumbs. For chips, you need 4 large Irish potatoes chopped, and for all that, you need oil for frying. For the coleslaw salad, you need a cup of cabbage sliced, 1 large carrot grated, 1 large onion chopped, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, juice of 1 lime, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 100 ml of milk. All my ingredients are listed in the description box. And with that, friends, I will move to how I prepare my chicken for marination. And with a small knife, I am going to make incisions into my drumstick flesh. The reason for doing this is to allow good penetration of my marinating spices and even my cooking heat during frying. You will also note there is no place I'm boiling my chicken pieces beforehand, but they will be fully cooked. I am then going to add my marination spices listed earlier and give everything a good mix before wrapping my bowl with a cling film and storing my marinated chicken in the fridge overnight for best results. If you do not have a fridge, you can put this on a shelf for 5 hours. The reason for adding a pinch of citric acid is because it is a meat tenderizer that will ensure our chicken pieces cook faster when frying. For my coleslaw salad, to my bowl I will add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, followed by juice of 1 lime or lemon, a tablespoon of vinegar, a tablespoon of sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 100 ml of milk. I will give everything a good mix and set the mixture aside. In a separate bowl, I will mix my cabbage, carrots, and onions and top it up with my creamy mix. Then cover it for refrigeration at least for 30 minutes before use. You can prepare this just before you start coating your chicken. And so, friends, this is what I am having after marinating my pieces overnight. The marinating juices have infused in and out of my chicken flesh very nicely, as you can see, and it's about time I just begin my coating process. Next, I am preparing my coating base, and for this I need a tablespoon of milk powder, a tablespoon of wheat flour, I forgot to say that, a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of paprika, garlic powder, garam masala and onion powder as I listed. I'm giving everything a good mix before adding my a cup of water, and I will stir this to a thick and light paste, just a good paste. And after stirring it long enough to ensure everything is well mixed, I'm going to go in with my 1 piece of egg and stir thoroughly. The egg and the wheat flour will act as a good binding, allowing our breadcrumbs to stick to our chicken pieces well, while the milk powder will give the coating a soft and crunchy feel. The spices are just for flavoring our coating. My coating procedure is quite simple. I will be dipping my marinated chicken drumstick piece into my coating base, then into my breadcrumbs, and I will put that aside to soak and let the breadcrumbs stick further to the chicken pieces. And I will be using this method for all my chicken pieces. Ensure that your chicken piece is really soaked into the base coating so well before finally doing your breadcrumbs, and also ensure your breadcrumbs stick all the way on all the sides of your chicken pieces. You can toss and turn. You can actually add more breadcrumbs to areas that you feel have not been soaked so well before finally putting your piece aside on your dish. I will also do a second piece with you, so come along with me. I am dipping this inside and ensuring it is touching my coating base very well in all areas. Then I am going to roll this in our breadcrumbs as we have done with the first piece. Just take your time to ensure you are doing a very good job. And friends, I am doing my final piece and I will set this aside and now move to doing my fries next. For my fries, I just ensured my cooking oil is hot enough as confirmed by bubbles around my wooden spoon, and it's just about time I began my frying process. If you are pan frying your fries or chips, ensure your oil is very hot and do not turn your chips until they feel hard and crunchy with the touch of your serving spoon to avoid preparing a soggy mess. Once the pieces close to the base of the pan feel hard and crunchy, you may now turn your fries for the other side to crunch as well before serving our chips once the whole batch is fully crunchy. My entire batch has a beautiful golden yellow color and a crispy feel, and I will just foil this and store it aside to begin my chicken frying process. My chicken pieces have set very nicely and the breadcrumbs are not in a position to fall off. You will probably want to fry these pieces after you have done your fries and the oil is very hot. One secret with frying KFC chicken at home is once your oil is very hot enough for frying, just lower your heat to the lowest set point before adding your chicken pieces into the hot oil. This is to avoid burning your pieces and for slow even cooking to get a fully cooked piece inside with a beautiful browned coating on the outside. We will cook this under low heat for 15 to 20 minutes with 7 to 10 minutes on each side depending on how the coating is browning. If your coating is not burning, do not be in a hurry to get the pieces out of the hot oil. Let them cook through as long as the coating can withstand the heat. If the coating begins to burn and it is 10 to 15 minutes of cooking with about 5 to 7 minutes of cooking on each side, you can get the pieces out of the oil. If the pieces are browning very fast at less than 5 minutes on each side, check on your heat. You could be using medium or high heat, which will make your pieces not to cook fully inside. Here the watch needs to be your best friend, and my first piece actually is browning faster than the rest because it was the first to absorb the very hot oil. So once you serve your pieces, drain them nicely over a paper towel to take away any excess oil before serving. Finally, the long-awaited time is here and our result is before us. You can have this with a barbecue sauce of your choice. I'm very sure all of you have learned something today, so please don't forget to like my video. And as you will see at the end of this video, my pieces are fully cooked through. See you in my next video. I send you seasonal greetings. Enjoy your festive season. Bye.